We chose Microtech for a variety of reasons, mainly due to our long-standing business relationship with Microtech. Furthermore, in researching our new scanner, we determined that a 3D full log shape reconstruction was something that nobody else can offer. From installation through to commissioning, we are very satisfied with Microtech. The main advantage of the stereoscopic measurement is that we measure 360 degrees directly on the carriage at very high speed. This makes it so the operator doesn't have to wait. He can decide which cutting pattern he wants to choose, and then it is immediately optimized. Additionally, the measurement precision is very high, and when we want to train a new operator, we have the advantage that the alignment of the log works automatically, not only for the log, but also for the cant. Alignment errors are as good as ruled out.